If you're holding management or leadership position in a business and do not really have time, at least an hour a day, to work on the business, it's a huge problem. So let me share something with you. As my experience shows to me, and working with so many different clients, I see the same story happening there. As managers, we can't really manage people. As managers, as leadership, we can enforce people to use the systems and processes that we would create. Business that has a lot of fires, a lot of turnover, a lot of not happy individuals, lacking systems, right? So if you want freedom, you need to find that time block, at least 1 hour a day. Even if maybe you can invest into that hour, like invest into that, find that hour prior even starting work, right? Get up 5, 6 in the morning, spend 1 hour working on the business, work on creating processes, document things that you're already doing in the business day to day. So instead of people constantly improvising and doing things based on their mood, they would follow some kind of process, checklist, use some kind of templates. So this way you create a business that is very predictable, that produces more or less the same results with the rare exceptions, right? And you would not have to deal with so many fires and with so many unpredictable events. So if you're not working on the business, challenge yourself to give at least 1 hour a day working on the business. And that's what I believe the job of a manager is, working on a business. As a manager, we need to create processes and systems and then enforce everybody to use those systems. And if there's any exceptions that would come up, resolve them and then create a system that it would never happen again.